U.S. President Donald Trump and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un are in Vietnam for talks on nuclear arms and other issues. Tensions between India and Pakistan increased after each side claimed to have shot down the other side's fighter airplanes. Muhammadu Buhari claims victory in Nigeria's presidential election. His opponent rejects the official result, calling it a false victory. And U.S. lawmakers question Michael Cohen, President Trump's former lawyer, about Trump's business activities during the 2016 election campaign.